I'm Emilio from Bambi, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. If you'd like to see any of these products, click any of the links down below. From the Cybex lineup, in Cybex Platinum, I bring to you the Cloud T unboxing. That's it, quite simple, ready to use, Isofix full recline. Stay tuned for a full review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.